Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily Stock Analysis series, and I hope all of you are doing great. So the stock today we are gonna take a look at is Kotak Mahindra Bank. So as usual, we're gonna take a look at the monthly chart, weekly chart, and daily chart, and we'll see what is happening in the stock and what to do next. So before that, standard disclaimer: I'm not a SEBI registered analyst, and any stock discussed here is not a buy or sell recommendation. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any trade. So let's take a look at Kotak Mahindra Bank. Firstly, मैंने खोल रखा है monthly chart. As you can see, it has been in a consistent uptrend since the global financial crisis of 2008. Before that also, काफ़ी अच्छा राइज आया था from 2003, from where the data is available. 2007-8 तक बुल रन में काफ़ी अच्छे से from ₹6 to 300 something तक गया था stock, and then the global financial crisis hit in 2008 and it came down with the whole market, and after that it has been consistent, rising consistently. Let's above the 50 moving average, that is on monthly chart. Even in corona crash, as you can see here, it took support at 50 EMA on monthly chart. So this is the broader view of the stock. So let's go down to something like weekly. As you can see here, during the corona crash, on weekly chart it came down below the 50 moving average on weekly charts, and it was the 50 moving average was acting as resistance, as you can see. एक बार इसने क्रॉस किया बीच में, then next week again it came down and it fell for 4 weeks, and after that it reversed. As you can see, it reversed and it broke its previous high, which was around this level. As you can see, it was around this level of 1740. 1740 was its previous all-time high, जिसको इसने break किया. Then it went from 1740 to around 2049. 2049 का new high बनाया, and उसके बाद as you can see, it came first, it broke this level and then it made a new high, and then it came down like this and was consolidating above the 50 moving average on weekly charts. Because we are taking a look at weekly chart. So weekly charts पे इसने 50 मूविंग एवरेज ने सपोर्ट की तरह काम किया, एंड दिस वाज आल्सो द जोन ऑफ प्रीवियस ऑल टाइम हाई था. तो जो प्रीवियस ब्रेकआउट जोन होता है वो बाद में सपोर्ट की तरह एक्ट करता है. जो प्रीवियस रेजिस्टेंस होती है, इट एक्ट्स लाइक अ सपोर्ट, एज यू कैन सी इन दिस केस. सो इन दो चीज़ों का कॉन्फ्लुएंस था, एंड जहाँ पे भी एक से ज़्यादा दो चीज़ों का या दो से ज़्यादा चीज़ों का कॉन्फ्लुएंस हो, तो वो काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग जोन होता है, आइदर सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस. लाइक इन दिस एग्जांपल, एज यू कैन सी, इज इन दिस एग्जांपल 50 मूविंग एवरेज एंड द प्रीवियस ब्रेकआउट था जो दैट इज़ नाउ सपोर्ट. इन दोनों का जो कॉन्फ्लुएंस है, दिस होल जोन, एज यू कैन सी, इज अ strong support zone. As you can see, like, it went up and down, it consolidated during this period. As you can see, it consolidated in between it went down. As you can see, it went down but again came back up, and after that it again started rising. So now let's take a look what is happening right now and what can happen from here onwards. As you can see, काफ़ी अच्छा breakout दिया इसने, because it established this level of around 1845 को इसने. This was the resistance zone. So it was trading in a range basically from 1650 to 1850. 200 rupees की range थी, and it was moving like this, and उसके बाद it eventually gave a breakout. As you can see, on daily chart it was moving above the 200 moving average. So you can apply the 250 moving average on daily, weekly, and see if there is any support or resistance already. So as you can see, it was consolidating in a range like this. 200 rupees का पूरा range था from 1650 to 1850, and then it broke out and it tested its previous all time high level around जो कि है 2050 or 49 rupees, and it again faced resistance, as you can see, this day also, and again next day also it faced resistance, and it's now just consolidating here. So whenever, remember one thing, काफी अच्छा concept है, whenever stock is consolidating uh, like this around the all-time high level or the 52-week high or any strong resistance zone, it usually gives a very strong breakout, because जब एक बार वो जोन क्रॉस हो जाता है तो ओवरहेड सप्लाई होती है वो ख़त्म हो जाती है, बिकॉज देयर आर नो मोर सेलर्स अबव दैट एंड इट मूव्स स्विफ्टली. एक पॉइंट आएगा जब न्यू रेजिस्टेंस क्रिएट होगी, प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आएगी, देन इट विल कम डाउन, बट इट कैन ईजिली मूव few points, few 50 to 100 points is like very easy for it above this level. I'm going to give you another example. उस स्टॉक में भी सेम पैटर्न बना था, and that stock is polo pipe, so you can uh, understand the concept better. As you can see here, take a look at this, take a look at this zone. See this, I have marked, or I have already marked it. So first of all, as you can see, what is this? This is nothing but a descending triangle breakout. Resistance zone नहीं थे आता रहा, and support zone, this whole area was acting as support zone, and it formed a that descending triangle, and it gave a breakout on 23rd July. What it was a very strong breakout, as you can see here. This was a very strong breakout, and after that this was its previous all-time high level of 1211 1211 rupees का all-time high level था. As you can see, it consolidated for 5 days. See this, in this rectangle it consolidated around the all-time high level, and as you can see above it, it just blasted above it. It moved like 100 something points, 100 150 points, and then again it started consolidating. This level of 1384 was the Fibonacci resistance, and again it consolidated in this region for few weeks, most probably 2 weeks, and again broke out, and again first consolidation, then a breakout, and again consolidation going out. So this is what happens when a stock is usually consolidating near the all-time high level. So how to derive at the target? I'm going to use the Fibonacci retracement tool to derive at the target. So it's not a good idea to enter before the breakout. When the stock breaks out, you can use this low of this small consolidation as your stop loss, and the Fibonacci this 1.618 level. This, as you can see, this level is our next resistance level, or you can say target price 2300. So 300 rupees move, it can easily give a 300 rupees move. So this was it for today's video, and I hope you learned something, and if you enjoyed the video, please consider hitting the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Take care. Good night.